Alright guys, so in this quick video, I'm just going to run through how to change a roll of twine. First step here is the twine is actually going to be kept inside your toolbox. So we've got one roll in here at the moment, like so. When you're threading the twine, you want it to be coming from the inside, not the outside. So you can see we've already got this one rolled out like that. You want to find the end of it. So once we have the end of the twine, first thing we want to do is we're going to actually thread it through this hole. So you'll need to have this open here. You find that hole on this side and just poke it through. You'll see down here we've threaded through the twine, and to do that we just have to push down here with the 2 fingers and you can pull through the twine like that. So once you've done that, you can let go and it'll hold the tension. First bit is just threading it under that bit here, like so. The next part is wrapping it around this white disc, and depending which one you use, so it's got 2 discs here. The top one is going to use more twine, so it's going to wrap tighter bales, or if you're okay with it, you can just use this second one down here. That'll use less twine per bale. For this example, we're just going to use the top one like so, and next we're just going to pull through a bit more. Just going to pull it through like this. Now we've got it around the white disc. Next part's going to be threading it through here, around this. Just want to make sure it's in between that disc here, this roller. So the last step, we're going to be feeding it through and attaching it to the twine binding arm. So it'll come through the back of here, just poking it last section just under here, feed it through here, and we can pull it through like so. There we are. All right, so now we've got it wrapped around the 2 pulleys and the white disc and threaded it through here. We've gone and poked it back under here so we can attach it to the twine binding arm in the back here. So for this last bit, it'll help if the twine binding arm's up. So we've just popped that up. We'll raise it like so. Then we'll be poking it in underneath here. Grab it around the back. So now the last bit, we're just pulling this back, sticking it in between there, pulling it through. Just make sure it's got a good bit of tension there when you do it, and that's it.